Going forward, we're at a really critical point in the company's history. We've got what I would say three of the most exciting single projects that we're involved with, all coming to fruition pretty much simultaneously. And our basic business model is robust at the same time. So specifically, in the next 6 months, I think you're going to see a very robust pre-feasibility coming out of Rockhaven Resources, who we own almost 30% of. I think it's going to show that that project is not only economic, but very economic. It's something that has the potential to significantly grow the value of our share portfolio, and I think single-handedly exceed our current market cap. So that's important, and it's the lead into permitting for them. So it's a very, very important step. Simultaneously, in the first quarter of next year, we expect Terra CO.ca, a company that we've got a sizable share position in, is working on alternatives to Portland cement, to have their first commercial plant in operation. So that's a big deal. It could lead actually to cash flow for us, or they may have a go public event that could create some nice liquidity for us. Third situation, is a company called Broden Mining. It's a private company. We're working in partnership with Ross River Dene Council to try to redevelop the old Faro mining district in Yukon. When Faro was in production back in the 70s into the 90s, it was by far the largest largest mine ever to operate in Yukon. It was 30 to 60% of Yukon's GDP at that time, and less than half of the ore that was defined in that belt has ever been mined. So if we are able to conclude that transaction, we're looking to put that mining camp back into production, first proving its viability and then moving it back into production. So that's pretty exciting. We own over 30% of Broden as well. So if they're successful, we will be successful. And then finally, I mentioned the business model. I think that we're going to be able to do a lot of deals in the next little while. Companies are looking for a wide variety of projects, and I think we've got some in critical locations. I think that the pricing is right. We've always looked for ways to do deals, and I think that there isn't a lot in the pipeline at the present time. So I think that it's the right market conditions for our model to work very successfully. So with those three highlight or drivers in place, I think we're looking forward to a good year next year.